Hey everyone, welcome back. I just want to make a quick little video today. Someone was asking about when I was an apprentice, did I get stuck with one journeyman? And I just want to answer that today. So the answer was no. I have worked with several different people when I was an apprentice. Um, it usually just depends on the job and what's available. Like if you're working at one job site, you'll work with someone, and then if you get switched to a different job site, you'll be working with a different person for the most part. Sometimes you can transfer with the journeyman, like you'll kind of be shadowing someone, not really, but it's just kind of you're like as a pair. The company that I work for right now, you're kind of paired up with journeyman for the most part. That's what it kind of looks like. I don't really have anyone paired with me, so people will kind of work with me sometimes, usually kind of by myself, which is cool. But when I was in my apprenticeship, I worked with several different people, just depending on the job site and the task that I was working on. If I was helping someone with low voltage, I would be working with the low voltage people. And if I was working just certain tasks, then I would be with someone else. So anyways, just wanted to go over that. And yeah, I know some companies might be like one-to-one person. I'm not sure, and I'm not sure what the unions do, what their protocol is or whatnot. So I'm just speaking from my experience in the non-union and with the companies that I've worked for. But I think some companies might be like one-to-one, but I'm not sure. So, but for the most part, I would assume mostly no for everyone. So anyways, just want to go over that real quick. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like if this helped you out or if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Giveaway 2,000. Getting real close, y'all. Hope you guys are doing well out there and staying safe and keeping busy and not losing your minds. And yep, click the notification bell if you want to. And yeah, everything else in the description. Thanks, guys. Peace out. God bless. See you soon. There might not be a video for the next 2 days because it's the weekend, but there might be, so you never know. All right, guys. See you later. Peace.